Labas vakaras, brangieji. Paskutinis vasaros penktadienis išties neeilinė galimybė palydėti vasarą. Kodėl? Nes šį vakarą Makao Open Air klube Parachute Youth. Daug gražių merginų, daug linksmų žmonių. Keliavom į klubą šiek tiek pasižvalgyti.
Lithuania's been big support for us 2 years ago, ever since the YouTube clip came out, so they've been very supportive. It's good to be here. We've had 2 shows in Lithuania so far, in Nida and Trakai. This is our 3rd show.
The girls here are very pretty, and yeah, everyone's very lovely. I think electronic music has a real stronghold here. Like it's got a big history, hasn't it? I mean, in Eastern European countries with things like techno and house music and deep house music. So it's just the crowd gets it. Yeah.
Every show we do, no matter where it is, it's just we have fun. We look at each other. As long as we're looking at each other, we're saying,
"Yeah,
are you having fun? Yeah, I'm having fun. Is everybody else having fun?" Then perfect show.
Pasirinkote būtent šį klubą?
Žiauriai geras klubas, žiauriai. Grand Opening. 2 2 mergaičių gimtadienis. Vienintelis Lietuvoje toksai patrauklus. Tikrai žmonės, nežinau, ir visada renginiai visi patys geriausi. Labai gražus dizainas, labai didelės šokių salės ir labai gera muzika. Gražios merginos, geri gėrimai ir nuoširdį atmosferą.
We had such high expectations of this show because of all the support we've had here in Lithuania, and it's just so nice that we've actually got to play that initial show in Kaunas. I want to say a big thank you to all our fans, and you just made an absolute night of it was amazing. Thank you so much, guys.